And we have another important update coming in at this point in time. Congress, Aam Aadmi Party as well as AIMIM are knocking at the door of the Supreme Court. Uddhav Sena has accepted the Waqf reality after it was passed by both lower house as well as the upper house of the parliament. Waqf case is over for us. That's the message coming in from Sanjay Rao. That seems to be the stand of the Sena, the Uddhav Thackeray faction. Listen in to this reaction from Sanjay Raut.
शिंदे गुट के लोग हैं वो पढ़ते नहीं सुनते नहीं। मेरा भाषण सुनना चाहिए जो पार्लियामेंट में मैंने कहा है। जो जनाब कहते हैं ना, असली जनाब कौन है? असली जनाब अमित शाह है, अमित मियाँ शाह और नरेंद्र मियाँ मोदी, ये असली जनाब है। इतनी वकालत, इतनी चिंता गरीब मुसलमानों की बैरिस्टर मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना ने भी नहीं की थी उस वक्त जब पाकिस्तान बनने जा रहा था। इतनी चिंता, बाप रे बाप, हम ही मुसलमानों के मसीहा है। तो मैंने कहा कि मेरे जैसे आदमी को लगा कि बैरिस्टर जिन्ना की जो रूह आत्मा है वो कब्र से उठकर उनके शरीर में घुस गई मोदी और शाह जी के, तब इतनी वकालत कर रहे थे। और हमको बोलते हैं जनाब, ये तो जनाब के सब चेले हैं भाई। ये जनाब मोदी और जनाब शाह के शिंदे गेट वाले जो लोग हैं ना, शिंदे के क्या शिंदे ना, हाँ, वो उनके चेले चपाटे हैं, डर से मारे जी रहे।
Let's now go across to my colleague Shweta joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Shweta, how do we really interpret the statement coming in from Sanjay Raut? In fact, it looks like now the stand of Shiv Sena, the Uddhav Thackeray faction, and he's trying to suggest that itni chinta Jinnah ne bhi nahi ki thi, minority community, especially Muslims ki. So is he now also accepting what the government has been saying so far, that Waqf amendment bill is indeed going to help the Muslims who have not been getting the benefits of the Waqf land, the property that Waqf boards manage?
Right. In fact, Sanjay Raut's statement seems to be cryptic in nature, but amid we have seen that in a massive showdown on the Waqf amendment bill when it comes to Shiv Sena, Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray faction. Shiv Sena's Sanjay Raut is coming ahead and he has been saying that the decision what we had to take, we have taken the decision. For us, the files are closed. Now there are two aspects in this. Number one, of course, many a times they were also being challenged on whether they are going to show their secular face or not this time, and whether they are going to support this or not. And even 2 days back, if we just hear Sanjay Raut, he has been stating a lot many times that they are completely opposing it, they're challenging the Waqf amendment bill. But now, when it has been passed in Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha, there seems to be a kind of cooler tone and a kind of rubbing hands kind of moment for Sanjay Raut. And now he states that for us, that is for the Shiv Sena UBT faction, the file remains to be closed. Here we can also understand that earlier, when it comes to their ally partners of Mahavikas Aghadi, including Samajwadi Party, Abu Azmi very categorically stated that this again is the time where they should in fact show their secular face, because we supported them during the election, and this is their stance where they should take it for the Muslim community. But Sanjay Raut coming and saying that for them the file seems to be closed.
Right. Shweta, request you to stay on with us. In fact, we have that reaction as well ready for our viewers. Listen into what else Sanjay Raut said.
हमने हमारा काम कर दिया है। हमको जो कहना था, हमको जो बोलना था, हमको जो निर्णय लेना था, हमने लिया है। अब हमारे लिए ये फाइल बंद हो गई है।
So there you heard Sanjay Raut making it clear that Waqf file is over for the party. Whatever the party had to do and say that has been done.